Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro, MUA, welcome. Today I went full on neon. These pigments are also UV, so they look super cool with the UV light. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. If you want to see how I created this look and which products I used to create this look, then please continue watching. Now I want to bring a little bit more life into my skin, a little bit more radiance. So I'm going to be taking the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Make Skin Serum. I'm going to start with my brows, like always. And to do that, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in medium brown. I'm actually going to complete the other eyebrow off of camera just because the next step is actually going to be foundation before we move on to the eyes. I just want this eyebrow to be caught up, so I will be right back. So now to prime the face, I'm actually going to be using the Farsali Unicorn Essence Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 118 Light Beige. So next I'm going to take an eyeshadow primer and I'm going to be using the P.Louise base in the shade Rumor 0.5. Next, I'm going to just take the P.Louise brush and I'm going to pat that all in. I'm going to be taking the Makeup a Murder UV Neon Pigments, and these are the 4 shades I'm going to be using today. First, I am going to take the green one. Next, I am going to take the pink shade. Next, I am going to take the orange shade. Lastly, I am going to take the yellow shade. For mascara today, I'm going to be using the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. For lashes today, I'm going to use a Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in the style Instaglam. I am going to catch this eye up to this eye and I will be right back. Next, I am going to conceal, and to do that, I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Light Capturing Self-Setting Concealer in the shade 22. And to set that, I'm using the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. For my under eye, I am going to be taking the Makeup a Murder Poison UV Neon Pigments in the darker pink. Next, I'm going to be taking the Colourpop BFF Cream Gel Liner in the shade Exit. And again, for mascara, I'm going to be taking the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. For bronzer and contour, I'm going to be using the Tarte Cosmetics Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette. And I'm going to jump into Princess Cut. I'm gonna jump into Angle. For blush, I'm gonna go into the Maybelline New York Fit Me blush in the shade Rose. For highlight, I'm going to go into the Ofra Cosmetics Glow Times 5 in the shade Pillow Talk. We are going to be using the Dose of Color Desi and Katie collaboration in the shade My Main. So I do want to add a bit of gloss to my lip. I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie collaboration yet again. I'm going to be using the most. I don't like to apply it directly to the lip because I don't like to ruin the applicator. I just take the applicator and put it on my ring finger. And then from there, I dab it onto my lip. And to set the face, we are going to be using the Maybelline New York Master Fix Wear Boosting Setting Spray. Alright guys, that completes my look. Let's just see how it looks with the UV light on it. And then we'll end the video. I'm just pointing the light at the camera and it looks wicked. Check this out. Damn. Alright guys, that completes my neon UV eye look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to turn on the notification button so you know when I post. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to be taking other eye off. I'll be using the Lashaholic Luxury. Next I'll move on to concealer. Light capturing self-setting concealer. Using the Makeup Forever Makeup a Murder UAV. It's Call of Duty apparently. Jesus. Makeup a Murder UV. New baby. So for